Hi, my name is Rosine Gardase. I am going to discuss about the gamification in other industries for my research. The table of contents is introduction, description, key elements of the gamification. Gamification is a marketing, gamification in education, the gamification in healthcare, gamification in retail, and gamification authentic, and the psychological impact of the gamification case study and conclusion. Description. Gamification boosts engagement, productivity, and learning to incorporating game design elements like points, rewards, and challenges into everyday tasks. It leverages our innate desires for competition, achievement, and recognition, and harness psychological responses such as dopamine release to motivate and involve individuals across variety industries. The key of elements of the gamification is the rewards receive incentives like as badges, exclusive benefits, or free items. Points earn points in completing the task and achievement goals. Challenge engaging the task that belongs into problem solving, progress tracking, visual representation of progress and achievements. So the key of the elements of gamification. The gamification in marketing, the loyalty program benefits points and rewards for repeat purchases. That is was is the loyalty of the customers who wants to buy their products, so they have to play the games which they can earn the points. Interactive content games increases to engage the customers and consumers. So this one is to engage the customers to via games and quizzes to get earned badges or benefits for that. Example, Temu app company use of games like Fishland and Coinspin to enhance online shopping. Like for example, for mine, I have a Temu app. So I play that game, which I learned a lot of the gaming. So if I can earn, if I can pass and earn the badges within the 1 week. So if I successfully earn that point, so I can get my free items. And gamification in education, rewards and badges motivate students through achievement and goals. So it's all about for the motivations for the students who will study hard and then to get their badges or rewards or either for that game so that they can earn their points and then they can earn whatever they wanted in the future of that game. So quests and challenges encourages an engagement with educational material. So that is the gamification of education. And the gamification in healthcare. Also, training simulations, VR, and game-based scenarios for medical training, rehabilitation games to aid in physical therapy and the patient's motivation, medication tracking rewards reminders for adherence to treatment plans. So these games is a gamification in healthcare, which you for that example is uh, you can do the game which is they give the task. So if you can aim that goal, so they will give you a prize or any suggested prices that they will give you in that gamification of healthcare provided. The gamification in retail, interactive shopping, virtual try-ons, gamification, loyalty rewards. And then challenges and rewards engage customers with promotional games. So, like for example, the retailers using AR and VR to create immersive shopping experiences. So mostly we uh we uh we also experience that when we come to the mall or either other shopping areas that they will give you a task to get the prizes or the free items. We gamification fatigue, promoting financial literacy and engagement, goal setting, gamified savings and investment challenges, educational games, interactive tools to learn about financial concepts. Example, financial apps using points and trading platforms to earn badges, points, and prizes. Uh, Psychological impact of gamification, understanding and motivation and engagement. So, dopamine release, how rewards and progress tracking enhance motivation. And then goal achievement, the joy of completing the task and reaching milestones of the goal. So that game is when you achieve the goals in psychological impact of the gamifications, you can feel the achievement, that you can feel that you can get the rewards of that game. So that's why the gamification impact is a good example for that. And in the case study of the concept, gamification storytelling where viewers make choices that affect the outcome of the game. Like for the example, the interactive short film Lab Rat, so that the impact of increased engagement and audience participation for the game. So that game is in everywhere. So if they will give you the task to aim that goal, so you can earn the badges and you can earn every task that you can earn points or free items to that task. And then the conclusions of that, the power of gamification across the industries. The summary of this is the gamification turns routine tasks into engaging experience. So uh, that is a most example in the gamification. Um, so which means if you give the task to the others, you can give them the prize or the badges, but also in your own company, so you can earn them um, a high sales to maintain the brand name of your company, and also you can earn the you can surpass also your customers. You can gain more customers. You can gain more new customers. And then also, it will stay longer, your loyalty customers in your company. That's why the benefits for this to enhance motivation, productivity, and user satisfaction. The future outlook is continued innovation in the applying game mechanics to the various sectors. And that will be all. Thank you and have a good day.